Hello student, first of all welcome to Graphicera University. My name is Chef Sunil Kumar Lal and I have experience of more than 15 years in industry and in academics. So if we just talk about the cooking, so cooking is just not to cook a food, it is an art as well as science because it involves a certain process before cooking. So it acts as an art and as well as science because if we are cooking something, so before that we have to do lots of preparation. Okay, so the preparation, like we have to go for the cutting, okay, we have to do the plating, we have to do the presentation, and we have to just follow the perfect authentic recipes. So just cooking is not just we are cooking in our home and we just cook the food, but in professional cooking we have to take care all of these things and cooking and the presentation so that to make it eye appealing. So it's very important, and as per the professional students and professional chefs, they have to also take care the nutritive value of the food that you are going to preparing. So if we just talk about the today's session, we are going to make a pasta. That is, I think everybody knows about the pasta, but the pasta that I am making is pane arrabbiata. Okay, so as we know that the pasta is originated from Italy, and there are so many of pasta, fettuccine, spaghetti, and out of that we have just taken this pane pasta. And let's restart for the cooking, and hope you enjoy the session and learn something from this session. So now what we have to do, first of all we have to blanch the pasta. Blanching is the process of cooking, boiling process, which just below the boiling temperature. So you can see we have already just boil the water. So now what we have to do, we have to add a little bit of extra virgin olive oil in it so that your pasta will not stick, and a pinch of salt also. It will give it a salty taste in your pasta also. Now you can see the water starts boiling, so we have to add this. As you can see, the water start boiling and we have added the salt and the olive oil. So now what we have to do, we have to put the pasta inside the boiling water. This is your pane pasta. Okay, as I have told you that it is the Italian dish and there are so many pasta. Pane is the name of the pasta and arrabbiata is a sauce which is made from tomatoes. You can see we have tomatoes here, and let's start it boiling. We do not have to cook it 100%, but we have to cook it below boiling temperature, so that the pasta, when you start cook with the sauce, it will not mix properly and it will give you a nice tangy taste, and it also just have your nice stomach full taste. So now your pasta is boiling, and before that we have to just make a sauce also. So we have tomatoes here. What we have to do, we have to cut the tomatoes eyes like that and make a crisscross slit over it, so that you can just de-skin and de-seed your tomatoes to making the tomato sauce. As I know, as I told you, this arrabbiata is a sauce. This is a Italian term, and arrabbiata means the anger. So this pasta is also very hot and spicy, as we will use this black pepper, paprika powder, okay, chili flakes. So that's why it's very spicy and hot, pasta. So as we are just boiling the pasta, we have to blanch the tomato also. You can see we have the next saucepan to blanch the tomatoes. So we have to follow the process with all the tomatoes, okay, like that, for making the tomato sauce. Now we have slit the tomatoes. Now what we have to do, we have to put it in a boiling water and blanch it for 3 to 4 minutes, so that we can de-skin it and de-seed it and make a tomato sauce, and from tomato sauce we can make then arrabbiata sauce. So you have to check it, your pasta, stir it properly so that they cannot stick together, and after stirring it you can just make your sauce and prepare your pasta. Before that it is boiling, we can, we have